Right, we've done our engine.
Mm-hmm.
We're pretty much ready
That's nice.
to put our body on.
Body on.
So we had to do a few mods to this off camera because it took us a very long time to do.
True, very true.
And I think everyone would have got bored.
I don't blame you.
So I'll bring it into the. I'll bring it in here for a minute and
Yeah,
we'll
right
show
on.
everyone what we've done before we.
Yeah, right.
Because it was took us a bit longer than we thought. When we finished our video of drilling all the holes,
Yeah.
we noticed that the wheels
Would hit the front.
would hit in here and wouldn't turn, and also in the back it wouldn't turn.
Oh, yep.
So what I had to do is basically slowly heat up the guards which were flat
Mm-hmm.
and slowly bring them out. They're like flared guards now.
That's good.
They're not beautiful. We'll probably put some black tape over them so they look a bit better. So now the wheels will actually turn
So this
left and right.
Oh, but there was too.
Yeah, well the
Yeah,
wheels
right.
wouldn't turn at all.
Good. Yeah, that's good.
Like
What
steering
about
wise.
the back?
And the back ones we only had to flare them out a little bit on the
Yeah,
sides.
righto.
So they'd go up inside.
Okay.
So we'll just, and then I made some little, I only used old ice cream containers
Mm.
and we cut them so all the rocks don't shoot up inside.
That's a good idea.
Because I think rocks inside the rocks inside the chassis and stuff will just get into the gears and
Yeah, I agree with that.
everything. So they're just taped in there for now.
Okay, that's all right.
I'll probably end up running some glue inside them to
Mm-hmm.
hold them on. And on the other side,
Mm-hmm.
I should have taken it off so we could see anyway, where the exhaust pipe comes,
Oh, yeah.
when we put that on later you'll see. I've made a little thing so that it shoots out the side instead of into the actual, here. But we'll show them that because the exhaust we'll put on last, I think.
Yep.
We can't put the exhaust on until it's in.
Okay.
And that's the only thing we have to take off before we pull this off.
Okay.
How's your shocking
Good.
biscuit?
It's all over there.
This episode is sponsored by Camera Doesn't Suck and 60s world's best 60-year-old. Camera doesn't suck. Cup of tea. Right. We do have to drill one hole in the back here before we do it. Because we can't get to the bolt. There's a bolt that goes in there.
Oh, okay.
So it'll take like 2 seconds. I'll just do it. The hole's got to be about here. That's how we can get the spanner on basically. It's on hammer drill. Turn off hammer drill. It's roughly about there. But what we'll do is we'll make a big, not that big sucker.
Oh, wow.
That'll drill up to 35mm hole. So you've used one of those before.
No. Not with that shape. That was easy.
So we drilled a little bit of a hole in the back here because there's a bolt that goes straight under there. That's hard to get the spanner onto.
Okay.
So we'll just makes it a lot easier. That's enough power tools for the day. Mum can clean it up.
Yeah.
No, we'll clean it up.
Don't put any...
We'll vacuum it up. Right. Ready to go. We did have to cut this and bolt it back because it's a bit too long. It stuck out like a big decapitating lawnmower knife.
But you're going to leave this on, aren't you?
Sorry?
You're leaving this bumper on?
Yes. Yes. We'll put it back on. We might have to change it a little bit later,
Okay.
but we'll just undo this.
Okay.
It was sticking out like here.
Mm.
And I put a little curve, see the little curve on the
Good
front?
idea, I reckon.
So
Yeah.
when you hit a bump, it sort of helps it. We'll just see. It was a little bit too long.
Yeah, the chip on the back there.
Oh, okay. That's a good
A
thing.
bit sharp to your finger if you scratch your finger along it.
That's a good spotting. Well, we'll get this off. It's easy to get off.
Mhm.
And then once it's on a little bit, we'll put it back on.
Okay.
We may have to drill another little hole, but we will see. Where's that little sharp bit? Show me that sharp bit. We'll fix that up first.
Here. There.
That's where I drilled that hole, isn't it?
Very highly dangerous for your fingers.
Right.
Mm. That's very right.
Well, how about I just quickly... Can I take the little... Can I take that little burr off it with this?
Definitely. Oh.
Yeah, took the burr off.
Man, yeah, it's good.
There's a little bit of burr on the back as well.
I've just got these two screws.
Yep. Put them over there, or can you reach it? Or you want to...
Yeah, that's all right. There's a good place for it.
I don't think there's any other ones that need deburring. The only thing that's got to come out of the way is that little pull starter.
Right.
And we've done all the holes. We did 90% of the holes on the last video.
Yep.
Oops. Whoa!
Look at that.
It sits really low now, doesn't it?
Yeah, but hang on. I still reckon if you can,
We'll adjust those springs.
I reckon we could probably have something like that. To just a bit of wire.
4 on there, just to get it lined up,
Righto.
reasonably tight, and then we'll put all of them in.
Okay.
But we want to leave them a little bit loose, don't we?
Yeah, I reckon. Definitely.
What I'll do is I'll do one...
I like all these ones here that you've got. Yeah, I'm with you. I'm with you. Yeah, good
See
idea.
this plate here? This plate goes at the back here, across 2 holes. What we might do is put that one up.
Can you get it?
Yep.
Okay.
So I'll get 4 in with normal nuts,
Okay.
and then it'll get it in position, and then we don't have to. Then it won't take us. It won't be as hard to
Oh, it's just
loosen it all up.
Gee, it's tight squeeze in there, isn't it? Put it hold it if you like up.
Yep.
Well, that's precision.
I'll put these ones. I lost one.
You got it? Good man. That's great.
I'll do these up because I can do these ones up by hand. I can't do the other ones up by
No,
hand.
it's okay.
One. We don't need a washer on that one because we've got this big bar instead. Two. And then I'll do the front two with two normal nuts. And then we can put all the other ones on with nylon lock. Nylon lock.
That's not too bad.
On these ones.
You don't want to pick it up in the wrong place.
This one's first. Oh, we've got to put this
other plate on, yeah.
This is the trickiest bit, I guess.
I reckon. I've got the clarity on it.
Yep.
Stick them on.
That was easier than I thought.
Yeah, good.
Have we got Barbie? Here somewhere?
Yeah, she says.
We'll need it.
She was sitting over there near the. No.
Oh yeah, she is. She should be watching this.
I don't think she wants to drive it.
No, I think she'd be a bit scared actually.
We'll get some of a bit thing out, isn't it? But I want you to actually do a test run on this and smash it into a wall.
No, I don't want to
I'd
do
be
that.
very disappointed. That's not bad actually. It's got to be pretty tight, doesn't it?
Okay, we've got those all just nipped up,
You right, eh?
and we can put all the other ones on
Yeah.
with the nylon lock nuts. I reckon.
Do you reckon this will turn?
And then we can
yeah.
replace those with these.
Yeah. Oh, right, yeah,
We can
okay.
try it. Look,
How many of those you got?
doesn't hit
You want to
the
put
guards.
them all on, do you?
Yep, there we go. Look, it doesn't seem to be hitting that.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Now,
So I'm going to put all of these ones in.
you got many more of those?
Heaps. I think we've got too many, but
Doesn't matter, doesn't matter,
do we have too many?
doesn't matter.
I don't think so.
So wherever there's a hole, I have to put a bolt for it.
Yep.
I'll
Go
get a
for it.
couple of you. And you want the bolt on the inside, obviously. Otherwise it'll look
Stick
like
it
it's
through.
not in it. Yeah.
And a washer. If we put that
Oh,
on.
okay. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Very nice. Oh, you made some. I've taught one of those.
We made them.
I took a couple of those.
See our other video when we made the chassis.
Okay.
I don't know what number video it is.
Doesn't matter.
Yep. It'll only go on a certain way, then you won't be able to turn it.
Okay. Are these lock nuts, are they? Oh, yeah, they've got a nylon thing in them.
Yeah.
I wonder what you have for any wiring over here. Okay, give us a bit, I'll get it through.
Yeah. Got it?
Yeah, I think so. I'll get it and I'll get it and I'll put this thing on for you.
Good.
That looks pretty good actually. She won't trip over that when she's coming out of the car, will she?
It sits a bit low now. My goodness gracious. Got it?
Yeah.
All you got to do is get it started.
You reckon? Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Next one.
Okay, good. Where's that? Over here somewhere.
Yep. There. There.
Hang on.
That one.
Okay, good. That's better.
That's just another hole you try to put it in with a muck up hole.
That's all right.
We thought we had the wrong battery holder.
Oh, that's right, yes. I tell you what.
This one I'll do in here because it might be difficult
Yeah.
where I'll put that hole. Oh no,
That's pretty good.
that's pretty easy.
You got enough for it?
No. Yeah.
It's just sitting there actually.
That's all right. We'll tighten them all.
Yeah, right. Yeah, okay. Yes, good, yes.
I think it is a bit low now. It's gone from one extreme to the other.
So I'm just thinking, you know. You look at this though.
1, 2,
If you
3.
just did this.
Okay.
Turn around, I'll do the
Oh,
other
there's one that's got to go there.
Okay.
There's just a little bit of tape where it was.
Okay.
I'll find a nut. Can you guess what this bracket is? Comment before the end of the video, you won't know what this is for.
That's to hold the drain pipe on to do an oil change. Is that right? No.
Oil change? It's a two-stroke, Dad.
Gee, this is the, oh, there you go.
Got it?
Yeah, here's one of your big watches.
Yeah.
And a little nut.
That one?
Yeah, if you can do it, I can hold the oil. Start with it if you like.
Right.
This is excellent.
We done all of them on that side. This.
We'll do a UE on it.
Why is it?
I can fix that.
Why is it bottoming the end on this side?
The weight.
It's very
We
have to find one in between.
Yeah, right. There's 3 along there. I can get one of your little screws.
Well,
Yeah, that's better. Bolt.
I'll get some more washers.
Yeah, good idea.
We made a ton of them, so we get some.
Actually, it looks very, it looks very salubrious in there, actually. So beautiful.
Mr. Salubrious.
Yeah,
I think I went to a taco shop called Mr. Salubrious the other day.
that's, salubrious means healthy. Okay, can you see that?
Yep. Do you want to put the washer on?
Yeah,
Washer and
a good man. What's going to come out of here? The
smoke. Bolt.
Then now you work that out, and I'll get this running on. Don't worry about don't worry about the suspension. Have you got one in? Amazing.
And,
It's sort of fitting together.
And
Should the really?
next.
Next one. Where's
We
it?
run out of bolts.
Have you really?
No, we should have heaps. I bought a lot.
Where is it? It must be down here somewhere, is it?
Yeah. Nylon cut.
Oh, I can feel it there.
Can I hold it up a bit?
Yeah, I think so. Okay, it'll never come apart. It's pretty good, actually.
Washer.
Yeah. I saw you making them. If you lost one of those washers, I've got one in there. And I've got one of these little joiner things.
We definitely made a few.
Yeah, good. How's that looking?
I don't think we've got any more.
What's that?
It's on its bones now. There's one more there somewhere. There.
Oh, I see. Yeah, righto.
I had to cut a bit of
That's all right. They're right. There you go. I've got it.
is that that's not a nylon one. One more washer.
I'm sure I have one of those washers in there too somewhere. I just thought it looked nice.
Use it as jewellery.
I reckon it's maybe. I reckon it's marvellous you can do that with your gadgets to cut these little rings out. They're nice. I'm starting to think of something I want to make.
Now
I tell you what,
let's Let's be tricky.
I think this is not too bad. It is bottoming out, but I think you're going to have to put some, I reckon, Rich, you can put some little, no, put in your cart, you know. Oh, let's just sort that out because I'm not too sure.
Let's trick ourselves.
This is another set here. See, that's a bit dodgy. Is that because it's too long, is it?
No, we're going to cheat. We're not going to use a spanner.
Okay.
We're going to use the drill.
That's all right.
There's too many.
Okay.
You hold that spanner on there.
Yeah, I'm with you. Go on. I've got it. Ready. It's tight. Oh, wow. Is that tight enough, is it? Am I on the right one? Yeah, must be. Put the one back here. Another one here.
Uh,
Okay, try this one.
it's slippering a bit.
Yeah, can you, if I put it on the side,
Yeah, we'll do that.
can you get it? I can do it from here. So we're going to start. Definitely pinches it when it gets there.
Next one.
Go. You certainly pulls it up when you're doing that.
I don't think they need to be super duper tight.
No, do I.
That one. Next to the engine there.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Do the same thing?
Yeah, please. Hang on, what's the spanner on it now? Try that, I'll try.
Yeah?
Here you go. Beautiful.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We've got. And once it goes, it really goes.
Next.
It's amazing. Which one you want to do? The fun
Oh, this one.
hang on, there. Go. I'll keep losing it a bit. It's amazing how it does lock it out, isn't it? Two at the front, some are here. Oh, that's I think that's really good, actually.
2.
Yeah, wait there.
So we're going to tilt it up. I'll get these ones out of the way.
Not a very good I want to go to the Grand Prix now, not out there.
Which one are you doing?
One there at the back.
This one?
Yep. It's amazing when it locks. And the one next up.
One more.
If you want to go, it really goes.
Right.
It's fabulous. So what about that?
I'll just do this one right at the back. Probably just
Oh.
closer to me.
That's going to be too little.
Right, I'll just... This is the one we drilled that hole for. It's easier.
Did you get it?
It's easier, so now I'll drill that hole there.
Yeah,
Oh, no.
when you do that, it really locks it down, doesn't it?
Too close. Yeah, the socket stuck in there.
Leave it in there, Fred. We're going to get the car back on the track.
We'll do these two. We'll change these two nuts to nylon ones.
Oh, yeah, righto.
If I've got any. Should have these. 2.
The round ones, the big washers.
2. I know the nylon nuts.
Oh, yeah, righto.
So we just put these
Yeah,
normal ones on
that's all right.
to start with.
This is looking rather suspiciously good.
Now it's all in the right spot. We can change them up.
It's amazing, man. You getting them?
Easier.
To get it started. Give us your spanner around thing however it went.
I'll put that spanner over on.
Put it underneath there, Richard.
Yeah. Move it across. There.
Yeah, right.
Hold that.
Go.
Huh. Would be help if I had a socket.
Yeah, I think I've got it.
Got it?
Yep. You get to know when you feel it go. Just drop out of your thing like there. Like there. You try now.
Got it?
Yep. You can see the base of it lift up when you do that.
That's what we want.
I don't know. I think you might find. I reckon the front's alright, you know.
Right.
Well, the front's right. It's just the back. It must be lighter or something at the back, is it?
I'll turn around. So I'll just put Have you guessed what this is for yet?
No. Tell me. It's to do the service of the motor.
That's what you said last time.
Oh, okay.
Have you guessed what this is for yet?
No.
I've been asking the
Oh.
people on the video. Where's that smell? It looks a bit too low now.
Well,
No. Well, this will fit down in there. Only just. I'll hold it. And the other one, my drill stuck. Slipping. It's slipping on this then. I think it's tight anyways. Have you guessed what that's for yet?
yeah, I think I do. It's something to do with taking. You've got to have a spring on this to pull the suspension up.
What I'll do is we'll put this on.
Mm-hmm.
We've got one missing.
I got it.
Washer.
Mm-hmm.
One more nut.
Yep.
Where's that nut? We're missing the nuts. We're almost run out.
Something to do with this suspension. Take it. Do you need this on?
Will this go down in there?
Yep.
I'll hold this spanner.
Mm-hmm.
You hold it up.
So. Oh, that did a good job.
Right.
That's not bad. But
It's a little bit high. That's fine. We'll leave you in suspense a bit longer with that bracket.
it's something to do with holding it up higher. I can't work out what.
It's not. Aha! We're going to trick you all.
It's got to
Get that out of the way.
it'll be in the pits with the boys, and they'll put the pipe on. That pipe. What's the matter?
Right. This is a bit difficult. This one.
Okay, that's all right.
This is the pot. So the only thing we have to put on once we put this chassis in is this.
Okay.
And it's got to go in.
Oh, I see what you mean. Might be a bit
Is it?
tricky that.
No, hold it for me to get. Got to pull this up. One, slip it around the back of the engine into that
Oh, okay.
exhaust port,
Got it. You got it.
and then into there. Out our little hole that we made. See? Hold it for me to get. Got to pull this up. One, slip it around the back of the engine into that
Oh, okay.
exhaust port,
Got it. You got it.
and then into there. Out our little hole that we made. See?
That's not bad.
So I'm gonna be in that little. Is it in that little rubber?
Yeah, yes it is.
It is.
There's a washer on the other side of it here. This little thing here. What's this thing doing?
Ah, that's the hard bit. That's the super tricky bit.
Oh, it's got to go in the right place. Radially.
It's got a. There's a little spring that holds it on. That's the bit. It's a bit of a. Hang on. Let's get this down in here.
I like eating these biscuits, which you better start eating them. I like them actually.
We do have one little Allen key. I had to cut a little hole in the body to get to that little hole. See, makes it a lot easier. Undo that just a little bit. 1, 2. There's a little baby grub screw.
Should put a sign on that.
Do not cover.
Do not cover yet.
You alright?
Mm.
Don't want you to choke before the first test. Drive. So put that on there. And I'll just do up that little.
Marvel this.
No. It's just hold it in place. One. Wasn't quite in the right spot, but a little. Now for the tricky bit. Well, it was tricky the first time, it might not be so tricky the 10th time. You hold that. You know what that does?
There's a spring one on.
Oh, good.
It holds the exhaust pipe on,
Oh, really?
of all things.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if we can get a camera in there to.
We've got to go.
I think what I'll do is I'll put the spring on and then I'll grab the camera and we can zoom in and I'll show you where it goes. Because it's, we need these. Actually, I'll come up this end.
You're right.
I could have just run it around, but
That's right.
you got to hold in and so this wraps around the engine
Oh, right.
and back onto that little.
Wow.
But
The ambidextrous to do that, I think. But go on.
see how ambidextrous I
Mm.
can be. Shiz. Can't even get one side on. Two. Yeah, I got one side on.
Put on. Yeah.
Now I've got to pull it all the way around the other side of the engine. It's getting tight already, I know I'm not even that close. Lock that on there.
Hold this as tight as I can, Rich, so it doesn't move.
No one told me I can come in the back door here. Back
That's
window.
handy, that's handy.
Oh, it's on.
Oh, well done.
That's in. We've got one more thing to do.
Don't tell me.
We've got one more thing to do.
I
Petrol.
don't know what that silver piece is.
Yeah, that's the secret bit.
What's that one, Rich? Metro.
That secret metal bit that we have here. Look,
Oh, yeah, that's right.
put that in there,
Yeah.
right? There,
Yeah.
right?
Oh, yeah, right over.
We'll put a nut on it.
Yeah, okay, hang on. Oh, that'll keep that from... Oh, I get you.
One more nut. We're almost done. Bit of a
Well,
long video, this one.
I don't think I'm going to want to watch it first.
You need a nylocked up one.
Okay.
Not a normal
You
one.
got one?
I'll find one.
Oh, you got one, have you? Good on you.
Yeah.
Well done.
That sits in
Yeah,
there.
righto.
Do that up. Will it reach? It'll reach.
Yeah,
from
it'll reach,
somewhere.
it'll reach.
Hold it in the middle there.
I'll try to.
Got it?
Yeah, you go.
Done?
Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, it's right now.
Got it?
It's right in the middle of this little carburetor thing.
Yep. Now,
Oh, the springs. Oh,
Dashboard?
yes.
Oh,
Ah,
dashboard's got to go in.
she'll be riding in style now.
We had to move the steering wheel to the centre because we can't put the seat where the wheel is. So she's going to have a centre steer.
Oh, that's not bad. Yeah,
She's going to be steering from the middle, like a race car.
yeah, that's good.
The only problem is there's a big pole in them. So she'll have to learn how to drive with a big pole
That's all right. She can do that.
instead. So we moved the steering wheel from there to there.
Oh, you done that already, did?
Yep, but
Oh,
you guess what that bracket's for yet?
it's no, don't tell me. A seat. Ta-da! Oh, I knew that'd be right.
And that just goes in there.
Oh, look at that!
So,
Barbie's now got a seat from
yeah, the seat, she's driving in the middle. We'll get Barbie.
She's over there. She fell down in the breeze the other day.
I had to guess if she would fit. So hopefully she will fit.
Doesn't matter, cut her legs off. She won't mind.
She won't mind. We might have to make a seatbelt for her.
Just come back a bit. She'll go in there. Get in there, Barbie. Yes, she
The
will.
legs aren't thin enough.
Yes, they are.
Oh, there we go.
Perfect.
Look at that.
She's got to watch where she's going.
Yep.
You have to put a little mirror through there for her.
Hands on the wheels. We might have to make a seatbelt for her.
No. If she gets smashed up,
Show that to the camera. Barbie's in there.
Barbie in there. Yeah, righto.
I don't know if this camera can see that.
No, I'll just do this look. Barbie's all ready to go for the first run
Yep, I reckon.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Righto. Righto.
He's getting
I think
heavy.
that's a wrap.
It's getting heavy.
All good.
Yeah,
We'll give it a quick test and then we might have to work the suspension out a bit.
Yeah.
But
I don't want to see you to hit anything with
we'll
this
call that
and make a damage thing.
a quick for the day.
Yeah, I reckon.
Bye.
See you, Rich.
Hope you all guessed what that bracket was for.
Yeah, she's got a seat bracket now. Oh, that's brilliant.